Hello everyone. If you're new here, welcome to Pigeon Forge Passport, your trusted guide to the best attractions, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We've explored the thrills of Dollywood, uncovered the wonders of the Great Smoky Mountains, and shared insider tips for family-friendly adventures and more. Today, we're setting sail on a journey like no other. The Titanic Museum in Pigeon Forge isn't just a museum. It's a time machine that immerses you in the Titanic's incredible stories, triumphs, and tragedies. It's an experience you won't want to miss. Let's walk back in time and discover why this attraction stands out. The Titanic Museum is a portal to the past. It's a stunning, half-scale replica of the legendary ship itself, located right on the bustling parkway of Pigeon Forge. Welcoming visitors from all parts of the world since 2010, this two-story architectural marvel is set on a reflective pool, giving the illusion that the Titanic is majestically gliding through the sea. Endorsed by the Titanic Historical Society, it is the world's largest museum dedicated to the gigantic ship. You're about to join the heartfelt celebration of the ship, its passengers, and its enduring legacy. And here's an incredible fact. The museum's founder, John Jocelyn, has lived the story of the Titanic. Yeah, that's how passionate he has been. Jocelyn has visited the Titanic wreck site 32 times during an extraordinary expedition that spanned 44 days and cost $6 million. His dedication to preserving the ship's legacy is woven into every corner of this museum. If you're lucky enough, you might even get to meet him. It's now time to take a virtual tour of what's inside. Inside, the experience is nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel like a passenger on the Titanic's maiden voyage in 1912. You'll receive a boarding pass featuring the name of an actual Titanic passenger or crew member, adding a personal touch to your journey through history. Prepare to be awestruck by the $1 million replica of the Titanic's iconic Grand Staircase. Built using the ship's original blueprints, it's the only one in the world visitors can walk. This masterpiece features intricate oak carvings and a stunning cherub statue, immersing you in the elegance of Titanic's first class. While you're at the stairs, click some amazing pictures with your friends and family to cherish the grand moment for life. Trust us, it is indeed an incredible photo opportunity. Upon walking through the stairs, you'll witness a larger-than-life array of over 400 authentic artifacts from the Titanic and its passengers. These priceless treasures, valued at over $4.5 million, include items carried off the ship and some carefully recovered from the ocean floor. But that's not all. Recently, the museum proudly unveiled the Austin Partner Display, an extraordinary addition to its exorbitant collection. The display showcases artifacts that tell a timeless love story from the Titanic's legacy, including the intricate love story coin bracelet and necklace, a classic pocket watch, and a beautifully preserved wedding portrait. These items, brimming with history and sentiment, bring to life the personal connections that defined the Titanic experience. Soon, you'll also step into stunning recreations of the first-class parlor and the bridge, immersing yourself in the ship's grandeur and the stories of its passengers. We'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsor, Pigeon Forge Snow. After exploring the rich history at the Titanic Museum, why not switch gears and head towards some chilling fun? At Pigeon Forge Snow, you can enjoy year-round indoor snow tubing, snow play, and a winter wonderland all in perfect climate-controlled comfort. You have to visit this place to add a snowy adventure to your trip, no matter the season. Want some literal chills of history? Dip your hand into 28-degree Fahrenheit water to understand the frigid conditions passengers faced on that fateful night. It's an eye-opening, humbling experience you won't forget. Next, test your balance on sloping decks that replicate the angles of the sinking ship, giving you a glimpse of the challenges passengers endured. Then, climb into a lifeboat and listen to authentic stories of survival. We may often wonder about the people on board the ship. Who were they? Get your answers in the Titanic Memorial Room. This poignant space honors all 2,208 passengers and crew with a commemorative wall that tells their stories. Here, you'll uncover the fate of your assigned passenger. Whether you're walking through the galleries, standing in awe on the grand staircase, or reflecting in the memorial room, every moment connects you deeper to the experience of the people aboard the Titanic. As you approach the end of the guided tour, marvel at the 26-foot-long Lego replica of the Titanic, made from 56,000 bricks. Spend a few minutes paying tribute to the discovery of the Titanic in 1985, and a new memorial for the Ocean Gate submersible and its victims. This museum is perfect for the whole family. Kids can learn Morse Code, send an SOS, and explore the Titanic area. It's an engaging, hands-on way for your young explorers to discover history. Keep an eye out for special events throughout the year. The museum often hosts guest speakers who are experts on Titanic history and themed events that dive deeper into specific aspects of this maritime tragedy. You can choose a self-guided tour and explore at your own pace, or opt for the museum's audio-supported tour to enrich your experience. And here's a pro tip: book your tickets online in advance to secure your spot. The museum often witnesses high foot traffic, especially during peak traveling seasons. Lastly, don't forget to stop by the gift shop to bring a piece of history home with you. If you're planning a trip to Pigeon Forge, this is an experience you simply can't miss. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. See you soon with our next video. Meanwhile, subscribe to our channel and do check out our website for more travel experiences in Pigeon Forge and the Smokies to create your perfect itinerary.